Guys, I welcome you all to this platform. We got this amazing setup. This amazing pattern on the chart on Boom 1000 few days ago, and we milked the market successfully for a very long time. If you followed up with my videos, you will understand we made a lot of profit with this particular pattern. And of course, I'm going to explain to you. I think I used my custom made indicator to do my analysis then on the PC, okay, using the 3M train milker. Of course, it is very easy to use, to analyze the markets using that custom made indicator. So people were like, okay, for those people that were not having the custom made indicator, they were like, how did I know that this is going to go for a very long time? Okay, so I'm going to explain all this to you using this mobile setup, and of course we get to see how easy it is to make good amount of money from here. Okay, this is a mobile setup and it's also very easy to use. Okay, so if you should notice, this was at the spots at the time. Okay, I love using whites. Okay, it got to this support zone, if you should notice, having 3 hits on the support zone, and it was unable to break out from here. And if you should notice the window indicator, okay, which we are using to confirm whatever that is happening on the main chart, it shows that this has oversold already. Okay, because it has oversold, it means that it should change the direction of the trend, but that can only happen if it does not break out from this support zone. Okay, so that is what we want to confirm. Okay, it got there the first time, it got there the second time, and it got there the third time. It was unable to break out from there, but check out, this actually gave us a certain formation. Also, you can see this pattern. Okay, this is AW pattern. Okay, so the last leg definitely is going to buy. Okay, so if at all it's not going to go for long, at least it should get to this level. Okay, this is 15 minutes time frame. You can imagine, if you had come in around here and put your TP somewhere here, it will still give you something reasonable. And once it breaks out from there, then you should know that it's going to buy for long, because the market had oversold itself already. Okay, so we should expect more of a buy right from there. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, and that was what happened, and you can see it bought for a very long time. Okay, so the same thing happened when it got to the resistance zone. If you should check the window indicator, it has gone to this region almost at 100. It means that the market has overbought already. Okay, so but we expect it to start selling from there, but it can only sell if it does not break out from this resistance zone. Okay, so let's see what really happened. Okay, you can see it right from here. Let me remove this. It gave us two spots, and this is actually giving us a letter M. Okay, so like I have always been telling you, the last leg of letter M is going to sell. Okay, if at all it's not going to sell for a very long time, at least it should get to this point. And you can see it got to that point and immediately it broke out from there. Then you should know that it is a breakout, and of course it's going to sell right from there. So that is why we are a selling opportunity, and it sold for a very long time. You can imagine, this is 15 minutes time frame. You're coming in right from here or even here, and of course it sold till it got to this region. This will have made you lots of money right from there. And if you are smart enough, you would have used every pullbacks to impute or to add more orders to it, and you would have made thousands of dollars from here, because it is a long trading opportunity. Once you see a pattern like this, then you should know that it is a win-win opportunity for you. Okay, so you should go into it in full so that you can make more profit for yourself right from there. So guys, this is a simple tip, a simple trading tip from my end. Okay, so you can apply it either you are having my custom made indicator or not. You can always apply it if you spot out things like this. Okay, and if you're having my custom made indicator, it makes it very easy for you to use. I will be stopping right here. Remember to give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. And if you have any question at all, kindly drop your question down there in the comment section. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.